Here at Adventure Kings, our aim is to make outdoor adventure better for everyone. And few things will upgrade your next adventure more than a good hot shower. Introducing the incredible new Adventure Kings portable gas hot water system, guaranteed to bring a touch of luxury and the comfort of home to your next camping adventure. No longer do you have to rough it or try to make do with a pack of baby wipes when you're camping. With the Kings portable gas hot water system, as long as you've got a gas bottle and a source of water, you've got unlimited hot showers. This clever tankless gas hot water system comes as a complete kit and is designed to connect to a standard barbecue gas bottle. Unlike some competitors, our portable gas hot water system includes a water pump, so you can draw water from just about any water source. Simply connect the 4.3 litre per minute electric water pump and the hose to the system, your battery and a water source. That could be a bucket, a tap, the water tank in your vehicle, camper trailer or caravan, or even directly drawn from out of a creek or dam. Finally, add the included adjustable shower head and you're ready to go. It has adjustable controls for both gas and water flow, as well as a bright digital LED temperature gauge. This means you can precisely control how hot you want your water to be, as well as the water pressure too. It has an inbuilt safety temperature cutoff to prevent the water getting scalding hot, and will automatically cut off above that level to stop you getting scalded. There's even winter and summer modes, with the summer mode using a single gas burner when you only need to heat the water a little bit, and the winter mode using 3 burns for beautiful hot water on a chilly night. It's capable of raising the temperature of water approximately 25 degrees above the source temperature, which makes for a beautiful hot shower. The included shower head features 3 different spray patterns, as well as an on-off switch so you can save water when you need to conserve it. The system self-ignites as soon as it senses water flow and turns off as soon as you turn the water off. While the Kings portable gas hot water system is great for showers, it's got heaps more uses too. Use it to give your pup a much needed bath in the backyard, or use it for instant hot water to wash up the dishes at camp. It's also ideal for remote and rural off-grid properties, anywhere you could want reliable hot water at the flick of a switch.
Look, I don't care how tough you blokes reckon you are, nothing feels better than after a couple of days out bush, having a good hot shower, just being able to wash that dust off from behind the ears.
You're going to love the Adventure Kings portable gas hot water system and all the use you'll get out of it. It's available now at an absolutely unbeatable price.
What? I didn't want to get my hair wet.